With Sessions, AI Copilot helps you get mundane tasks out of the way quickly. And you'll see the AI Copilot in different places throughout the app, but I would like to highlight 3 of them. So firstly, you can get the AI Copilot to create polls for you. And this is really useful if you see that your participants are starting to lose interest during a live session. So simply click on Polls, AI Copilot, write a quick prompt, and literally within seconds, you have something to show on screen and your participants can vote. Another useful thing you can do is ask it to create a summary from a transcript. So you can do this live or via memory. I'm going to ask it to create a bulleted list out of this transcript. And then I can copy this and send it via email, or I can send it to all participants via takeaways. You can also use the Copilot to create an agenda for you. So let's tell it to create a 30-minute workshop on AI. And just like that, I have an outline that I can use. You probably won't use it exactly as is, but you can edit it, add your tools, and it is a great starting point that does save you a lot of time. So these were just a few highlights, and we are adding new features all the time. Since Sessions is a community-first platform, we would love to hear from you. So what would you like the AI Copilot to be able to do next? Send us a message and let us know.